Morning, guys. Ooh, turn off the radio. I got like 5 minutes to spare. Got here a little early. I never really talked to you guys, so let's talk. So I'll let y'all know that. Oh, by the way, this is trip to the thrift number 67. 67. But yeah, so I'll let y'all know that I appreciate all the support that all of y'all have been giving me. Like, for real. Like, y'all are really motivating me to just keep pushing and just to keep going. I got big things, and you know, that I'm like, I get goosebumps about just knowing that this is gonna become a reality for me. I can't let you guys know, but let's just say it's coming soon. But yeah, what else? Yeah, all the like all the feedback y'all give me, like when y'all comment, when y'all like comment on my Instagram pictures and stuff like that, I really appreciate that. And gotta stay healthy, gotta drink that water every day, full gallon. But yeah, I appreciate everything that y'all have been doing for me. Hopefully it continues, you know. My goal in life is just to hit 100,000 subscribers. Like, that would just be cool with me. Like, that's all I want to do. But yeah, I don't know what I'm saying right now. Whatever, let's go thrift. Hey. We got some Timbs right here, size 9.5. Asking for 40. Got this bootleg Nike crew neck and this North Face with the purple, size medium. And then this right here, pretty sure it's bootleg. It's a Louis Vuitton bucket hat. Might scoop. I found these Hilfiger athletic track pants, but they're a little too plain. I'm gonna have to pass on these. The details are cool, but way too plain. Just found this vintage Mickey crew neck. Tag size large, but I'd say it's like a medium. And then this right here. You guys remember I found the Boo Boo, this same exact duffel, but it was smaller, and that's why I gave it to her. But this one, well, if I opened it, it has a gray tag on the inside, so nice little come up. Little kids, Air Force Ones. These are kind of tight. Just found this vintage Tommy Raincoat, size XL. Super fire color, all yellow, and it's got the Tommy flag right there, and then it's got little Tommy right there, and then it's got the hood. It's not too beat, it's actually pretty clean. I just gotta give it one wash and we should be straight, but for sure scooping. Ooh, and he fixed my hair. It's raining today, man. Random. Every time I think about washing my ride, it rains. Why? Let's go thrift. 2005 Beatles tee, the yellow submarine. Pretty fire, but look at that. No way. Man, they got these Nike TNs right here, but they're way too beat. Look at the bubbles. It also has some like ripping. I saw it somewhere out right here. Look at that. Sadly, gotta pass on these. Fire though, with the pink Nike logo. Gucci snake? Man, it's cold. I need to hide this hair. We at Goodwill. Let's go. Found the CDG cardigan, missing both tags. I feel like they were just cut. Cool little Nautica piece right here. Super colorful. Got this crazy like vintage tee, but it's got some like stitched in like Louis Vuitton all over it. Found this vintage dolphin tee. This is actually pretty cool. I like the colorway of that. And then a Screen the Stars Stars tee. Pretty cool screen print, but it's got some stains on it, so probably gonna pass. Came across this pair of monotone blue Champion shorts, and these are crazy. This doesn't have a brand, but it's just a pair of shorts. But that tiger looks fire. I might copy these trunks right here. Let's see. Super early in the morning, just drove in all kinds of traffic right now. But I'm out here in LA. We have a barber school event. But yeah, I can't bring my camera in there, but I just want to let you guys know that me, the boo-boo, and the homie and his girl are actually going to Disneyland today. So we're gonna take y'all along. It's early in the morning. Peace. Good afternoon, guys. We are here close to Disneyland. We're stopping here at Albertsons because your boy is hungry and I need to get some food in my body before we do all that walking. Alright, we're inside the grocery store right now. I need to fix my hair. I need to tie it better. Baby, stop bothering me. There's just a random lady bothering me. Who is that? No, we got the food and we got the Jameson. But now we're looking for some candy to bring in, and I love peach rings, but they discontinued my favorite peach ring, so we gonna have to choose something like this. Like this is like bootleg, but this for sure. Wow, I was hella off. This is for sure bootleg, but it tastes way better than the new one that Haribo came out with. So I might have to get these. We'll see. Decided to go with the big boy, the big bag, just so it lasts us pretty much the whole time we're there. Got sandals on. Gonna put shoes on later. Huh. Okay. In the new whip. What's good? Hey. Hi, Krista.
Nice.
Okay, so they pulled out this thing. I think it's a water bottle.
It's a backpack.
You can fit anything in, not popcorn. Oh shit. It's a popcorn. Not for water. Oh, can you take this off, Joyce?
No.
Yeah, you can.
If you take it out.
See?
Did you break it?
No. Okay. Getting on the Toys R Us bus, the game that I'm gonna whoop this man in. Oh yeah. Hello. Walk it, look at. All right, guys, we out here. I'm looking like now what's his name from Fresh Prince?
Carlton?
Yeah, Carlton. Looking like Carlton right now with the sweater on my extra preppy. But
let's go to California.
we going to California Adventure. Got the sleeve on my head. Huh. Man, Disneyland is crazy now, man. How they have like the metal detector and everything. Like, dude, is this even like the happiest place on earth? Nah, they still gotta be safe, so it's cool. Okay. Got that bread, homie. Pockets deep.
So they shipped this to San Francisco.
Alright, so we have a tour guide right here. So where are we?
Okay, so we're at the bread factory.
Uh-huh.
Start off with the idea, mother dough.
Ooh, the mother dough. The wings. The second set of wings.
Third set of wings.
And the pizza. We got the nachos.
What about the third set of wings?
Oh my gosh, it looks like some. What kind of
nacho? Hey man, don't get that on the lens, girl. Nacho. We are extra full. And man, it's actually getting kind of cold. Might need to throw on this jacket soon. But where are we headed, boy?
We're about to lose, man.
We're headed to Toy Story.
Oh yeah.
About to smack that. Time to get the glasses. I'm just gonna take 10 of them. I'm just kidding. What? Alright guys, we're 2 behind. We're about to get on right now.
I don't want to lose.
You going to? Ah, what's good? Whoa! Lost. Watch this, guys. Buckets. Just cool. Look at that. This churro is blue, bruh. Fire. Alright, so we're in the middle of everyone right now because they're doing like the whole parade. Look behind us. We are the parade. Right, boo? Yo, we are on Soarin', California. Is it California? We're on Soarin' now, so time to go up. Oh, okay, polar bear. Oh, hey, where'd you go? Think you see their feet though? Oh! Hey. Oh! Oh! Okay. Oh! Hey! Yo! What's good, guys? Yeah, I just got to the thrift store. I don't know if y'all can understand that, but need to tie up my hair. I got here early because I actually wanted to study. I have another exam coming up on Wednesday, tomorrow, So gotta make sure I'm prepared for that, you know what I'm saying? If y'all are in school, make sure you guys study. It definitely pays off in the long run, even if you don't want to do it. So make sure you study. Let's go thrift. We got two Mickey snapbacks right here for both size youth. I'm gonna have to pass. Got this visor right here, Los Angeles Playboy Club. Pretty tight, just a little like wrinkly on the edges, but we'll see. These shorts right here are crazy. Double XL though. It's not any like special brand, but it is a fire print. It's a North Face ski mask. This is hard. It's a size small. Just found this pink. Oh wow, I just missed that. Just found this pink diamond beanie. Super good condition too. They're only asking for $2. Just found this 2003 Ozfest tour shirt. See right there, Ozzy Osbourne, Korn, Marilyn Manson, Disturbed, Shovel, Death Sounds. Crazy. Guess jeans tee right here. It's kind of ripping though. Like these bubbles. Came off on all these other letters. Women's bootleg. Look at the Versace logo. Yo, I'm low-key thinking about pulling the trigger on this one. 125 though, but look. It's a starter and it's dead stock. I see some on eBay going for like 150 sold, but they're not brand new. But this might be worth a little more, but Jesus. 125. It's in super good condition though. This is wild. Dude, look at this fire champion piece. Yeah, it was good. Man, look how long my hair is getting. Just got to the thrift. It's the next day. Let's go. Look how fire that logo is. And then on the back, International Guest Knitwear. Finally, fire piece. Kobe champion jersey. Wide shoulder though. Jordan 4s. Got this little Guess bucket hat. Wish the print was a little better though. Just found these True Blue 3's, size 6.5 wide. These are the 2016 ones with the Nike Air in the back. Minor flaws, like not super crazy, but they're only asking for $8. Women's vintage Guess tee. See right there, size large. It's got the Guess right there. This is pretty fire. Probably gonna cop this. Alright guys, here at the Boo Boo's crib, I just want to show you guys everything I picked up. Tommy Hilfiger tennis, quarter zip, very fire. Vintage Mickey crew neck. This is a size large, but I'd say it fits more like a women's large. So, still fire though. Vintage Nike bag. This is crazy because I actually found the same exact one for the Boo Boo, but this is like a men's size, like a bigger one. And she has the extra small one, if you guys remember. And then Tommy Raincoat, got the big patch right there. See the vintage tag on the inside. It is a size XL and I only paid $8 for it. And then this right here, still not sure if it's a bootleg or not, but crazy little Guess piece right here. It's just got a Guess it's early in the morning, can't talk right now, but it's just a Guess piece right there. It's kind of like an Asia Guess like patch, all embroidered. It has a no tag on the neck, so I can't tell you if it's real or not, but either way, this is crazy. A few more items that I have right here. The vintage fire Guess bomber, vintage 2003 Ozfest tee, vintage stripe Guess for women, size large. And then this one right here, Designing Minds by Paul Mitchell. Yo! Alright y'all, so that's gonna wrap it up. It's time for your boy to go cut his hair. But you already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the gang. Hey, man. To fashion, what is